Hi guys! Mga ka-friends ko dyan. Kumusta kayo? I hope everyone are doing great and in good condition. Kumusta kayo? Matagal na ako hindi nakapag-vlog. Like what I said before, I am working in a automotive dealership company. So guys, if meron kayong balak or planong kumuha ng mga units, just contact me anytime. Call me. If meron kayong mga queries about units, just contact me, okay? Mga ka-friends, don't hesitate to call me. And this is not my really content sa vlog ko or sa channel ko about the units or the automotive. Sinisingit ko lang to just to share you guys na I am working in an automotive dealership na pwede din kayong makapag-reach out sa akin kung meron kayong balak na kumuha ng mga units or ng unit, di ba? So, this is also part of my life, di ba mga ka-friends? So, please continue to support me. Maybe on my next vlog about travel na naman, about my life sa ang content ko. So, ngayon mga ka-friends, thank you so much sa mga sumusuporta. Shout out sa cousin ko ni Ken Traveler, ni Sir Archan Vlog, ni MG Rigner TV, and sa lahat na nag-support sa channel ko, sa brother ko, si King Ninyo. I am grateful. I am so grateful for supporting me, okay? So much for that. So today, I'm gonna featuring another units for you guys, sa mga ka-friends ko dyan na gustong makakita ng other available units. So, okay, so let's go outside. So, we are here now sa outside, kung saan nandito yung mga display namin mga ka-friends. Yeah, as you can see, we are along the road. So, ito yung mga units namin na available mga ka-friends. Yan. Yan po. You can contact me anytime for your inquiries. Pwede tayo mag-cash and installment dito mga ka-friends. We also have here a passengerial type from it's a two-wheel drive, 12 valves from 8-seaters mga ka-friends. Yung sa loob niya ito. Yung presyo nito mga ka-friends, 215,000 pesos only. You can avail this one through cash and in-house financing. About sa mga requirements mga ka-friends, meron akong previous na vlog na mini-mention ko, na nag-vlog ako, na mini-mention ko yung mga requirements namin about sa installment basis. So you can check it out sa videos ko. Yan mga ka-friends. So you better hurry. Kasi para makapag-made to order tayo. Kung gusto nyong ibang color, pwede tayo. This one, mga pick-up mga ka-friends. Pick-up units. Yung open type lang siya sa likod. Yan. It's also a Scrum 12 bulb. This one also is a Scrum 12 bulb. Four-wheel drive. Four-wheel drive yan mga ka-friends. It's good for business kung meron tayong kakargahan. Presyo po ng pick-up namin mga ka-friends is 190,000 pesos. So kung mag-installment kayo mga ka-friends, you can have a down payment of 30,000. So tapos ang maximum term po natin is 3 years or 36 months. Yep. So yan. So if meron pa kayong additional questions or queries, you can call me anytime mga ka-friends. Call me so that I can assist you on how to get the unit. And this one mga ka-friends is a pick-up type, new type. If I na siya mga ka-friends. Tapos ito. Spacious na yung likod niya compare sa Scrum. Mas mas malapad siya mga ka-friends. Price po nito mga ka-friends is a 4-wheel drive. 660cc, 3-cylinder. At ang selling price natin nito mga ka-friends, 217,000 pesos only. This one. This is so very affordable. You can also get this through cash and in-house financing. This one. That's it. That's all muna mga ka-friends. I hope meron kayong nakukuha sa video ko. So, I'm back here inside sa office namin mga ka-friends. So, kayo dyan na merong business, merong mga need na units, just call me. This is very useful mga ka-friends sa mga business nyo na ikakarga nyo yung mga stocks or something. Or pwede din family service. Okay naman yung units. And so that's all muna mga ka-friends. Until next time sa videos ko. And keep safe everyone. Don't forget to pray always, okay? And always have faith ni God. No matter what happened in our lives, just pray to Him that our faith will always be there no matter what. Okay? So keep safe everyone. Keep safe everyone. God bless. And until next time, please sa mga hindi ka nakapag-subscribe, yung mga bago na pumasok or nakita sa wall lang nila, please subscribe mga ka-friends and click the notification para ma-update kayo sa mga new videos ko. And so that's all. So bye bye. God bless you all.